Continuing our Algebra 2 Unit 1 test review, we're on problems 9 and 10, the two word problems. Starting with number 9, we're looking at a rectangle. Good idea is to always take a second and draw yourself a picture. So let's draw a rectangle. Here's in this case, we don't know the length or the width. So let's pick a variable for the width. I'm going to go easy. I'm going to pick x. At this point, we take a look at, it says it is 2 times as long as it is wide. Twice as long, 2 times as long means we're multiplying by 2. So if the width is x, the length has got to be 2 times that, or 2x. Next, if we look at the problem, it's discussing perimeter, which we find when we add up all the sides. So I would recommend taking a second, label the other side. So the other width will also be x. The other length will also be 2x. So like we said, for perimeter, we're going to add all the sides together. So starting with the first x, I'm going to add one of the lengths to 2x, the other width x, and then the other length is 2x. And then right here we got is 75, so is means equals 75. Like we did when we were solving the other problems, we want to combine your like terms. So if we add the x, 2x, x, and 2x, we should get 6x. At this point, we should be able to divide by the 6. Find out x is going to be 12.5. So to make sure we answer the question, they want the dimension, so x, which is the width, will be 12.5 centimeters. The length, which is 2 times longer than that, so 2 times 12.5 should be 25. So the dimensions on the rectangle should be 12.5 by 25. Problem 10 deals with an electric bill. Company charges flat $8 per month, and then they also charge an additional 3 cents per kilowatt hour used. Now, they want us to label a variable. Since we do not know how many kilowatt hours we're using, hence the how many, let's label that as our variable. So if we use x again, x will be the kilowatt hours used. If you write out an equation, we got that flat rate $8 no matter what. Per kilowatt hour means we're going to be multiplying. So it's 3 cents or $0.03 times x to figure out how much we're going to spend on the kilowatt hour part. The bill in this case was for $23.90. Now that we have our equation step, we're going to solve it. So we're going to subtract the $8. Please be careful where you put it. Notice it did not have a decimal point, so it's got to be subtracted from the 23. So if we get rid of that flat rate $8 we spent $15.90 for the kilowatt hour part. If we divide by the 0.03, we should get 530. And if we want to label it properly, that's 530 kilowatt hours that we used.